Hey guys, what's up? This side Prem and you're watching my channel Digital Prem. So guys, this video is about off-page SEO. So in this video, I'm gonna tell you everything about off-page SEO, like what is off-page SEO, why is it important, what all are the techniques, what all are the tools are available, which will help to drive more traffic, will help to rank on Google search results, and will make brand authority. So I will tell you everything step by step. So guys, first we understand what is off-page SEO. Guys, all those activity and strategy which we do outside of your website is called off-page SEO, which is generally done to make your brand authority, to promote your brand, to increase your website rank on Google search result pages, and drive more traffic for your website. So guys, off-page SEO is also an important part of SEO. If you run a successful strategy of SEO for your website, for your brand, so definitely it will give you amazing results. So guys, now we understand why is it important to use off-page SEO. So guys, it will help to increase your brand authority, your domain authority over time. It will help to recognize your brand to more people, to reach more people. And if you provide consistently relevant content to your audience, so they will give you positive feedback that will help to build your brand, to grow your brand over time. It will help to increase your page rank on search engine pages. It will help to drive more traffic, more leads, more conversions, and more ROI over time. So that's why you have to run a successful strategy by using off page SEO, so that you can build and stabilize your brand and reach more people. So that's why you have to work on off-page SEO well with right strategies. Now we understand what are the benefits of running off-page SEO. Guys, it will help you to build your brand, will help to grow your brand, will help to reach more people. It will help to increase your ranking on search engines over time. It will drive more traffic. It will reach to more people, and it will help to build your brand over time. So that's why you have to work on off-page SEO, because it will help you to generate and grow your brand over time. Guys, now we understand about off-page SEO checklist. What all are the checklist which you use in off-page SEO? So guys, it's include links audit, where we find out all those links which are pointing out to our website, to find out whether is there any problem with that links, or is there any opportunity. So we do all these things in links audit by using tools. And the next one is, it includes to build social media engagement. It will help to use all those tactics which will help to in- increase social media engagement. And the next one is to stabilize domain authority and build trust. So we will use all those tactics and strategy to stabilize your brand and build trust with your audience by providing relevant content. So, and the next one is, we will promote your content online wherever possible, and what all are the ways we will use to promote our brand online. So guys, these are the checklist we use on off-page SEO. Guys, now we understand what are the types of off-page SEO. So guys, there are basically two type of off-page SEO. First one is do follow. link, which means whatever link we give in our post which refer to other website, that is called do follow link. So if we apply do follow link in our website, that means we we allow search engines and user to visit that link to explore your content. And if we apply no follow link over your post, that means it can be seen by your user but it will not allow to visit by search engines. So these are the two types of off-page SEO. So guys, now we talk about what are the techniques of off-page SEO. So guys, first one is link building. So in this technique, we acquire links from other website. If our website have more number of links, that means from high quality, high high authority links from high authority websites, that means Google will understand our content is valuable and our page is relevant. So it will increase our authority as well. So that's why in this technique we acquire links from other website, and we increase number of links for our website. And the next one is guest posting. So guys, in this technique we contribute or write a new post for the company blog post or article to increase our brand authority, to get backlinks from them, and to drive more traffic. That's why we need to do guest posting. And if we talk about the next one is social media, guys. Social media platform we use to increase more engagement, to reach more people. So that's why we use social media techniques to drive more traffic, because millions of users are active on social media. So it will help us to drive more traffic, to reach more people. We can aware them about our brand. So that's why it is also an important technique. And the next one is forum posting. So guys, you can do post on online forums. You can join community online and you can write your brand post there, and you can reply about your post, and that will increase your brand awareness. And the next one is local listing. So guys, you can list your post on local business, on local classified sites, and many other sites to increase your brand authority, awareness, and drive more traffic. And the next one is content marketing. Guys, you can do content marketing for your brand to reach popular platform, social media platform, or the other website, to get more people, to reach more people, to tell them, and you can aware them about your brand. And guys, and the next one is you can use influencer outreach. You can reach popular influencer to promote your brand, to get positive feedback from them. So guys, these are the popular ways and popular techniques you can use for your brand to increase your brand awareness, brand authority. Your You can increase your ranking on Google search results. You can drive more traffic over time. So guys, if you use all these strategy in the right way, so it will definitely give you better result over time, and your brand will make known brand over time, and it will generate more traffic, more leads, more conversion, more rate of interest. But you need to understand all these strategy in a right way. Then only you can implement all these strategy on your work to get better engagement, to reach more people, to increase your brand awareness, brand authority. So guys, these are the important off-page SEO techniques. You need to work on that. So guys, if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Let's meet in next video. Till then, bye bye.